Hello guys, we are traveling to go back to Texas from Michigan. It's 22 hours to drive. So we pass in Mississippi everywhere. So thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe Asian Cooking with MJ and Vlad. Thank you very much. Have a good day and night. Be safe to all.
Illinois and Missouri. Mississippi River.
And that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, that's easy. All right, yeah, I know. And that's it. So, I just got a tweet asking me about the Ole Miss Baylor game. Go back over that again. I did speak to Mac Rose. What was it, Saturday, early Saturday, yeah. And early, may have been Saturday morning. I can't remember, but there was a person who's an Ole Miss fan that put out a note that ADs and Baylor
Hoy, saan ka na?
said agreed to cancel the game. That's not true. They have
Missouri.
not even discussed canceling the game. And I have not talked to the Ole Miss AD.
Finally, we are
Yeah,
here.
finally we check in hotel in Arkansas. I sleep all night and then going back driving tomorrow morning.
Bedroom, 2 bathrooms. We just got out here to sleep tonight. And this is huge. It's nice. 2 bathrooms and 2 rooms. I mean, 1 room but 3 bedrooms. Here, and we have another. Hi, people. Another bathroom. And Rosie, look, she's tired. Another room. So, all this 1 room. We stay here for a night. And then, we're driving again for almost 10 hours tomorrow to go in Texas. Yeah, it's like the same in Fort Inn, but this is 2 bathroom. Hi, honey.
It's 200 plus dollars in one night if you need to stay this kind of hotel. 3 queen beds and one room, but they have 2 rooms separate. So 2 bathrooms, very nice. It's worth it even though it's too expensive. 200 plus one night. So this is my husband.
And bathroom. A 3 bedroom, big queen bedroom. A bed, 3 queen bed. And 2 bathrooms. It's not like dollar. But it's worth it. Feeling relaxed. What is you watching? What you watching, man? What is you watching, Justin? Dustin? He's watching the blogger. His name Dustin. He's American. He got stuck in. Is that Cebu? Where he got stuck? Yeah, that guy named Justin. He's stuck. He's American. He's a blogger. Because of the corona, he's stuck there, and he keeps following him. The life in Philippines in Cebu City. Well, no, not Cebu. Cebu, Toledo. He loves to watch that.
So joining now the teachers who shared
Huh?
that classroom because it helps people. Her friend Martinez and Francisco. Thank you both.
So that door there, that's my 2 daughters and granddaughters. Oh, where the 3 of them? We have 2 queen bed too.
The 3 of you were the only people in the room at the time teaching for 2 hours and followed all the rules. So tell us
Very
about
nice,
the
you all.
precautions.